drunk at the O's game. Fuck the Blue Jays, they ain't got no game. I'm a Phils fan, but I can rep both teams. Fuck Joe Carter, man, that ass on these road games. Still good about 93, man, that damn Grand Slam made me Master P. I was just 10 naturally. Cried in my beer when the Phillies lost the series. 2010, and we'll bash the team. Win another World Series, man, it has to be. J-Roll needs a matching ring. It's about to get rough, grab the Vaseline, cause we'll fuck your team up, our bats are mean. Our shirts get dirty, your cats look cleaned up. We bout our business, but y'all like to talk a lot. Looks like Howard knocked another in the parking lot. Broken windshield, you stay in the infield while I run columns taller than David Winfield. Been healed, no problem. 08 got him. Tampa Bay Rays can't phase my squadron. Probably would've beat him if we only had Dobson, especially when you're going like Hillary Rodham. Problem from top to bottom, even though Jamie Moyer's got 5 years and my father one nut cruck. Yeah, best of luck to ya. Back up off the plate, the Halliday might touch ya. Pinstripe punk ya, J-Word clutch. Opposite of the little Albert Haynesworth clutch. Peace to McNabb, I'm gonna miss a big fella. I feel like A. Reed treated you like old Yeller. Kinda did you wrong and I'm sorry for that, but Mr. Cobb, stand up, it's time to murder some cats. About to cut my sling box, get my boys ringed up. Tear the other teams up like Tiger Woods prenup. Philly hits hard, just call us P-Funk. Got the other team saying, oh fuck, we suck, go hard. Black Paisley, E-double mania. This is what we do and this is how we get crazy. Fuck it, that's the real shit. On the real tip, I don't even know, but I'm about to go.